Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to import an Envato Elementor Template Kit into your WordPress site. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take a beautiful, ready-made design and set it up on your own website, so you can save tons of time and get that professional look without all the hassle of building from scratch. I'll be demonstrating everything using a sample template kit just to show you the full process step by step. Let's get started right inside the WordPress dashboard. The first thing you need to do is install a little helper plugin called Template Kit Import. This is super important because these kits aren't like regular themes. You need this plugin to properly import everything. So head over to the Plugins section on your sidebar and click on Add New. In the search bar, simply type Template Kit Import. You should see it pop up at the top of the results. Now just hit Install Now, wait a second or two for it to finish up, then click Activate. With that, you're all set to begin importing your template kit. Once the plugin is activated, look over to your dashboard menu and find Tools. Under Tools, you'll see a new option. Template Kit, go ahead and click on that. Right at the top, you'll see an option that says Upload Template Kit zip file. Now you want to upload the zip file that you downloaded earlier from Envato. Just click the button Browse for your template kit on your computer and select it. Depending on your internet connection and how large the template kit is, this part might take a few moments, so don't worry if you have to wait a bit for the upload bar to finish. Now, when the kit is finished uploading, you might notice an orange banner across the top of the page. This is actually a friendly little heads up from Envato. Sometimes, the template kit needs specific Elementor plugins or add-ons to look and work the way it's supposed to. If you see this banner, all you need to do is hit the Install Requirements button. The system will then automatically check what extra plugins or settings you need and set them up for you. If you're wondering why this step matters, it's because some templates use widgets or design features from these extra plugins, and missing them could leave your pages looking off. But don't worry, the Template Kit Importer handles all the heavy lifting here. With your requirements set, let's bring your site to life. You'll see a list of different templates from the kit, such as global kit styles, header, footer, about page, and contact page. First, make sure to import your global kit styles. This step sets the default fonts, colors, and other style settings across your entire site, ensuring everything matches the original design. Just click on Import Template next to Global Kit Styles and let it finish processing. Think of this like painting the walls before moving in the furniture. It makes everything else look cohesive. After that, you can import the individual templates one by one. Go down the list header, footer, about, contact, or any extras your kit contains, and click Import Template for each. It's a good idea to go stepwise so you can double-check each page as it's added. If you run into any pauses, don't panic. A little patience here means your finished site will look exactly like the demo you fell in love with. And that's all there is to it. You've just imported a complete Envato Elementor template kit, and your site should now have those gorgeous professionally designed layouts. If you found this walkthrough useful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or get stuck at any step, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more WordPress tips and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.